Welcome to Advantage4Teens.com. Reliable, easy to understand instruction and homework help for all required school subjects, including math, science, social studies, and language arts. Through instructional videos, quizzes, worksheets, and lessons, students in grades 6 through 12 can get a clearer explanation of something they didn't understand in the classroom, prepare for a quiz or test, or simply save time on homework. It's even helpful for parents who may want to brush up on a topic they are a little rusty on, or who may discover that things are taught a little differently in today's classrooms. With thousands of instructional videos and quizzes on both the website and phone app, Advantage4Teens is like having a virtual tutor in the comfort of your home and on the go. Studies show students lose 30% of the information they learned in school over the summertime. So, a unique part of Advantage4Teens is our Summer Advantage section. It's a short review of key concepts to keep students brushed up on all the basics so they are ahead of the curve when school starts in the fall. In addition to academic health, your subscription to Advantage4Teens gives you full access to Advantage for Life. It's the safest place on the web for providing expert life and leadership advice to teens about friends and family, money, health, college, and success. Advantage4Teens. Get started today.